Yeah, that's keeper status. It's going up there. Yeah. When he sees that boat, he's going to take off.
Yeah.
Get all the rods out.
You just saw the boat.
I don't know if it's going. Yeah.
Why is he discount her?
Come on, dude. I think you got him now.
Yeah, I think I'm starting to wear him down.
He's not wearing you down?
Pretty good.
All day long, he's a keeper. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Feel some line out there.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a keeper. Guaranteed. Good job. Let's measure.
We're legal.
Yeah, it's legal. I just want to get an accurate measurement.
Right there.
48 and a half. Right there.
Woo!
Got him? If he goes wild on you, just drop it.
Okay.
You got him?
Okay, I got him.